Yeah, well, Andino has been growing steadily for the last 10 years at two times GDP from Peru. So we have been growing around 10% in the last decade. This has changed a little bit in the last year because of the economic slowdown, and we have not been separate of that, and our company has grown a little less than that. Well, the future strategy of the company is to concentrate in the infrastructure projects that our country needs. We are as well looking at opportunities in Latin America, but we are concentrating more in developing the infrastructure gap in Peru, which is calculated in around 150 billion. We have now the project of Chinchero in Cusco, which is the construction and operation for 40 years of a new airport in the Cusco area, and this is a project of 500 million. So it's taking us a lot of time to do that. We are in the process of financing the project, so we will very soon start construction. Well, the whole Peru has been affected by that, and we are not separate of that. So we have been affected in the flow of the logistics that are related to those projects, and so they need less logistics because they are investing less in the mining projects in the last 2 or 3 years. But this is picking up a little bit more now because there is some projects involving the refinery in Talara for Petroperú, and some mines in the south that are starting to be developed. So we are now facing a lifting again in the economy. We have three main sources of capital. One is the stock exchange. We are listed in the Lima Stock Exchange, so that is one way that we will raise capital in the future if needed. And the others are we are in the international markets with bonds, and in the domestic market with commercial papers. So these are our three main sources of funds. We also work with some banks to find the financing for the projects, and we are going to concentrate in doing financing on the vehicle, specific vehicle for the infrastructure, and not at the whole level.